Looking to purchase new windows? First, you will need to determine your project type. If you are building a new home or doing a home addition, you will want to look for new construction windows, which feature a nailing fin for the installation. Replacement windows do not have nail fins and are the right choice for updating your existing windows. The next step is picking a window style. Some people choose the same style that they are replacing, but you have many different options. Consider how the window operates and how it will complement your home's architecture. Single-hung windows open at the bottom and may tilt in for easy cleaning. Double-hung windows open at the top and bottom for better ventilation, and both sashes tilt in. Sliding windows open horizontally and are often available in 2 or 3 panel configurations. Casements open outward and close tightly with fold-away nesting handles. Awning, basement, or hopper windows are similar, with a hinge at the top or bottom of the window. Picture and shape windows can be used to create custom configurations and are available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Bay, bow, and garden windows project out from your home to allow for more light and space for seating, decor, or plants. Next, identify your energy efficiency needs. Low E-glass coatings keep warm air inside in the winter and deflect heat in the summer. Argon gas or triple pane glass can provide additional insulation and thermal efficiency. And all of our windows can be ordered to meet ENERGY STAR guidelines in any climate zone. Additional options include laminated glass for security, storm-resistant impact glass, and patterned or tinted glass for privacy. From colors and hardware that match your decor, to frames and grids or grills that accentuate your architecture, the options are practically limitless. Many retailers offer in-stock windows in popular sizes and styles, but you can also order custom windows with even more features built specifically for your home. Talk to a sales representative today to learn more about your window options.